Brachiocephalic Veins Anatomy. 12 questions and answers. What is another name for brachiocephalic veins? Brachiocephalic veins are also known as innominate veins. Where are brachiocephalic veins found in relation to the neck? Brachiocephalic veins are located at the root of the neck. Can you tell me how many brachiocephalic veins there are? There are 2 brachiocephalic veins. How are the 2 brachiocephalic veins situated in relation to the neck? There is 1 brachiocephalic vein on each side of the base of the neck. How is the brachiocephalic vein formed? The brachiocephalic vein is formed by the union of the internal jugular vein and the subclavian vein. Do brachiocephalic veins have valves? No. Brachiocephalic veins are void of valves. Are the brachiocephalic veins on the right and left the same size? No. The right and left brachiocephalic veins are not identical in dimension. Do the right and left brachiocephalic veins differ in length? Yes, the right and left brachiocephalic veins differ in length. Which is longer in length, the right or left brachiocephalic vein? The left brachiocephalic vein is longer than the right brachiocephalic vein. Do both the left brachiocephalic vein and the right brachiocephalic vein unite? Yes, the left brachiocephalic vein and the right brachiocephalic vein unite. Which vein is formed when the left brachiocephalic vein and the right brachiocephalic vein unite? When the left brachiocephalic vein and the right brachiocephalic vein unite, together they form the superior vena cava. Why is the left brachiocephalic vein longer in length than the right brachiocephalic vein? The left brachiocephalic vein is longer in length than the right brachiocephalic vein because it must run obliquely downward and to the right side of the body, where it unites with the right brachiocephalic vein.